Welcome to Section 4 Experience, where you record the details for each trucking job. The point of this section is to drag your experience on the left to each of your carriers on the right. When you're finished, your Fastport will paint an accurate picture of your experience as a trucker. Let's start with a few examples. With ABC Trucking, you are an owner-operator, had mostly long-haul work, but did some regional work as well. So drag those over and drop them on ABC Trucking. Notice how they appear under ABC Trucking. Let's also say that this was a CDLA job, but since all of your other jobs were CDLA, drag it over to the Drop Here folder. This will add the experience to all trucking jobs. Once all of your items have been added, click on the plus/minus button to estimate how much time you focused on each item. Drag the bar over to the appropriate amount and wait for the others to self-adjust. When you're done, hit the lock button. Now let's move on to a more complex carrier. For XYZ Trucking, you are a CDLA owner-operator with regional work. Let's also say you drove a flatbed, and more specifically, a step deck and a double drop. So drag those items over and drop them on. You know for sure it was about 70% step deck. So estimate and wait for it to adjust. Now hit the lock button. But then you remembered you also drove some curtain side, but you couldn't find it. So you go to the search box and you search for it. The system will then locate it for you, and just drag it over and drop it on. Notice how the readjust didn't affect step deck. That's because you locked it. Continue through all jobs, filling in the information. Once you have filled out all of your experience, hit the Click to Lock All button. When you're done, move on to Section 5 Records. In this video, we covered how to fill out Section 4 Experience. As always, if you have any questions, you can click the Contact Us button. And thanks again for watching the help video.